Twisted Love is one of those books that you know something's off, but you keep reading it anyway. Not because it's healthy, not because it's realistic, but because Anna Huang is very good at that. And some of the things that Alex says to Eva, if anyone in my real life have said that to me, I'd be running for my life. But in books, people reread it, highlight those phrases. I myself have highlighted a lot of lines that Alex have said, as you can see here. And this is not romance. This is writing. And Anna Huang, like hands off to that woman, she knows how to write. Alex isn't attractive because he's healthy. Alex is attractive because he is intense. He barely talks, but when he talks, it's like people go crazy about the lines when the actual Alex perspective came in the book. And what else can we expect from a Russian guy apart from emotional Russian roulette, right? And yes, there are a lot of red flags in the book, but Anna Huang balances it very carefully. When Alex chooses Eva, that kinds of certainty, that kinds of efforts a person puts, that what a reader actually wants. Like in their real life, we kind of try to connect to the character of the book because we feel like, oh my god, if in this book this can happen, we just hire our standards according to the book because now we have like read it, and in our brain it's like maybe this can happen in the real life, but no, this can't happen in the real life. Now let's talk about the London scene. When Eva leaves for London, Alex didn't send it her dramatic text. Instead, he drops everything and went after her. And that's where the perspective of readers changed for him. We started looking at him as another person. Because before, when he was like hosting, kind of all doing shits with Eva, because we were always Team Eva. Whatever happens, we saw all the story through Eva's eyes. Okay. So we kind of felt Eva more than we feel Alex. So when he chases her, this shows efforts. And that's where we saw a different Alex, a Alex who tries to change himself for a girl he loves. And this is the real trap of Twisted Love. This book messes with people because it blurs the line between intensity and care, love and attachment, fiction and real life. You're not thinking it while reading that this is healthy. You're thinking that it feels something, and feelings sell. Also, a quick appreciation to the friendship of this story, Stella, Bridget, and Jules. They give Eva a life outside of Alex, and that's why I'll always say keep your girlfriends close because romance can get messy, but friendships keeps you sane. And Anna Huang knows how to keep readers hooked. She knows how to pause, when to drop a line, and when to let the silence do the work. And honestly, with the rumors of Netflix adaptation of the series, this makes a lot of sense now because like all the twisted series books deserves to be on Netflix. So Twisted Love is not a romance I would ever recommend as a life example. But as a book, yeah, it works. So no, it's not the healthy love story. It's a compelling one. And if you can still enjoy it, knowing the difference, that's where the fun is. So next, I'll be breaking down Twisted Lies, Twisted Hate, and Twisted Games. So stay tuned and let me know in the comments what's your take on this book. Okay, till then, bye bye.